After a 16-hour travel day, the worst travel day of our lives, finally made it to Aspen, baby. In the Jerome Hotel, made it all worth it. This place is so very
large.
We got a little bathroom in here. Oh, who's? Ooh, hey, ooh. Look at this place. They even took care of us here with the little Jerome Auberge Resorts, hot chocolate, macaroons. How you been? It's a cooler full of hot chocolate. And they give you the furry hot water bottles for your feet or whatever you need. The place is large. Oh, it smells so good. These are marshmallows. It is a marshmallow. You want to make? Boop. Boop. Where are we going, Snuggles? I said, where are we going, Snuggles? Good chat.